It's happening. After several months of teasers and a whole boatload of speculation, the new Ford Ranger Raptor was finally revealed today in Bangkok, Thailand. This comes just weeks after the Ranger's US debut at the Detroit Auto Show. It's unclear whether the truck will make it over to our shores this generation, but we wouldn't get our hopes up. Still, it's exciting to know it's out there and that the Chevy Colorado ZR2 and Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro have some competition on the horizon. From the fat fenders to the upgraded suspension, the Ranger Raptor looks just like a small-scale F-150 Raptor. That's exactly what most of us were hoping for. Up front, the Ranger Raptor swipes the F-150's grille, replacing the blue oval with Ford in big block letters. The steel front bumper adds LED lighting and new aerodynamic air curtains. There are a pair of tow hooks and a bash plate just underneath the nose. Under the hood rests a 2.0-liter twin-turbo diesel inline-four. It's mated to Ford's new 10-speed automatic, likely the same one that's found in the F-150 and the US version of the Ranger. It makes 210 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, more than the Colorado 2.8-liter diesel's 169 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Power hasn't been announced for the US Ranger's 2.3-liter EcoBoost Turbo 4, but expect that gasoline engine to make more horsepower but significantly less torque.